Hello my friends and welcome to the restaurant. My name's Chef Kim Sutherland and today, using Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix, we're making an incredible vegan curry crusted tofu. Slice the block of tofu into evenly sized pieces. Combine the dry batter mix with curry powder and season. Place the tofu slices into the dry batter and coat evenly. Don't forget to cover the edges. Preheat the pan and add the oil. Carefully place the coated tofu into the frying pan. When the tofu is golden brown, flip over to cook the other side. Remove the tofu from the pan and set aside. Add the mushrooms to the pan. When the mushrooms are crispy, add the salad mix. Allow the salad mix to slightly wilt and season. Plate the mushroom and salad mix combination. Arrange the tofu and dress the salad. This crispy curried tofu is so delicious, it is sure to please even the most hardcore vegan. Thank you so much for joining me today in the kitchen. I hope we've inspired you to get creative with your Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix. I look forward to seeing you next time on the line.